Welcome to ScienceToZzz. Before we journey into the deep silent cosmos, find your most comfortable position. Feel the gravity of the earth pulling you softly into your bed. Let your shoulders drop. Let your breath find its own natural, easy rhythm. Imagine a world without the moon. It has been our constant companion for 4 billion years, but tonight it has simply stepped away. The night is now 3 times darker. The velvet sky is heavy and thick with stars, millions of tiny, distant suns that were once hidden by the moon's silver glow. In this new darkness, the rhythm of the world begins to change. Go to the edge of the ocean in your mind. Hear the water. It is eerily still. The great tides that once roared against the sand have faded to a whisper. The ocean is now a mirror. A black, perfect mirror reflecting the ancient light of the galaxy. Breathe in the salt air. Breathe out the weight of the day. 4 billion years ago, a planet the size of Mars, named Theia, drifted through the dark. It moved with a slow, cosmic inevitability until it touched the young Earth. Imagine the collision in slow motion, not as an explosion, but as a glowing, molten dance. Huge clouds of stardust and rock were thrown into the void, forming a ring of fire around our world. Over eons, gravity, the universe's quietest force, began to pull those pieces together. Like soft clay, it molded them into the sphere we call the moon. It was born from us. It is a piece of our home, watching over our sleep. But now, in this dream, it is gone, and we are drifting. Without that silver anchor, the Earth begins to lean. Imagine a spinning top slowing down just a little. Our planet tilts its axis. It is a movement so slow it takes thousands of years to notice. The North Pole begins to see the sun in a new way. The ice begins to dream of water. The deserts begin to dream of snow. It is a world in transition, a world finding a new balance, just as you are finding yours. The stars do not mind the silence. They continue their slow rotation across the deep black canopy. Look at the Great Bear. Look at Orion. They are steady. They are constant. You are safe beneath their light. In the absence of the moon, the constellations seem to lean closer, whispering the secrets of 1 billion years. As the Earth spins through the infinite void, feel the stillness in your limbs. The moon is a memory, but the universe is still here, holding you in the palm of its hand. There is no rush. There is no tomorrow. Only this moment, only this breath, only this quiet dark. The sun is millions of miles away, glowing softly on the other side of the world, leaving you here in the peaceful shadows. The seas are calm, the air is still, the stars are bright, and you are drifting away, like a star falling through the night into a deep and dreamless sleep. Let the darkness be your blanket. Let the silence be your song. Deeper now, deeper and deeper into the stars. The universe is vast, but you are home. The gravity of sleep is pulling at you now, as gentle as the tide, as certain as the sunrise. Rest now. The journey is over. The stars will keep watch. The Earth will continue its slow, silent spin. You are exactly where you need to be, floating in the quiet, wrapped in the dark, sinking into the peace of the moonless night. Good night. Sleep well. The cosmos is waiting for you in your dreams.